Myself Mrs. Nivedita Matpati. Today I am here with the subject Mathematics Children. Till now we have completed chapter 1 children, isn't it? So today we will continue with the chapter 2. See to the board children. Look to the board. Chapter 2, Addition and Subtraction. Addition and Subtraction. Up to 99. Okay? On addition you will be going to read till 99 and even on subtraction till 99. Got it children? So, already you know what is addition children? Yes, putting two objects together. Putting two objects together is called addition. Okay? Then see, while adding two digit numbers, we first add ones to ones and tens to tens. Got it children? Once again I will repeat it here. While adding two digit numbers, we first add ones to ones and tens to tens. Already you have learned ones and tens children. Two digit numbers, ones and tens. O means ones. T means tens. Isn't it children? So today we will learn how to add. You already know it. Even though we will continue in today's class, add the following. Got it children? So you can see here ones, tens. Ones, tens. Right side is ones and the left side will be tens. So what we have to do here? We have to add ones to ones and tens to tens. Ones to ones means see, in the place of ones, 6 is there. And the second number is 2. 6 ones, 2 ones. So both we have to add here. Put the numbers together. Okay? So first 6 is there. So what you have to do? You have to draw 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First number we have drawn 6 numbers. Then second one is 2. So here down you can add again 2. 1, 2. So now you have to add both the numbers which we have drawn here. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is the answer children we got? 8. Okay? Once over. Now next we will go to the left side, that is the place value tens. What is the first number children? 5. So how many lines I should draw here? 5. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next 3. 1, 2, 3. Now we will add from top to bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What answer we got children here? 8. So the number will be 88. Got it children? Shall we go for second one? See to the second one. Ones, tens. The right side will be ones and the left side will be tens. You already have learnt it. So now, in ones place, what is the first number? 2. So I will draw here 2 lines. Then what's the second number? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What the answer we got children? 6. So once we got the answer, next we will go to the tens. In tens, what is the first number children? Yes, 3. See, 1, 2, 3. The next number is 4. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What the answer we got children? 76. It's very easy children. You already know ones and tens. So first we have to go from right side ones, then we have to go to the left side, that is tens. Ones to ones. We have to add ones to ones and tens to tens here. So we will get the answer. Now can you help me to solve this third one question? Yes. See, we will go from ones, that is from right side to the left side. Okay? Then in ones, what is the first number? Ones to ones first. Okay? First number is 3. 1, 2, 3. Then the next one is 5. I will draw the 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to to draw first 3 lines, then down only you should draw 5 lines. It will be very easy for you children. If you draw the line, then it's very easy. You will get the answer soon. Got it? When you will get the correct answer? When you draw the correct lines. 3 means only 3 lines you should draw. 5 means only 5 lines. Then count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I got the answer here 8. Now we'll go to the tens. Once over, then we'll move to the tens. What is the first number children here? 4. Let us draw the 4 lines. See, 1, 2, 3, 4 lines I have drawn, isn't it? Then next, what is the second number? 2. See, 1, 2. Correct lines I have drawn, isn't it? Like this only you should follow the children. Follow the methods by drawing the lines. Now count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The answer is 6 in tens place. So the answer is 68. This is 2-digit numbers. Addition of 2-digit numbers children. Now next we will move to the addition of 3 1-digit number. 3 numbers will be there, only 1 digit. Okay? Means 1 digit means only once is there. Here we have learned ones and tens, but here only once. Once to once. 3 times. Okay? See, what's the first one? 2. I'll draw here 2. Okay? Next number is 3. Then I'll draw here 1, 2, 3. Third number is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 digits children. 1, 2, 3. Okay? 3, 1 digit. Once is the 1 digit. Okay? So, in that 3 numbers we are counting. 1, 2, 3. 2 plus 3 plus 5. Okay? Addition sign children. I forgot to tell you that sign of addition is plus sign. Here see. I have drawn the plus sign everywhere because we are doing the addition. We are putting the objects, we are putting the numbers together. Isn't it? So everywhere plus sign is there here. Isn't it? So here also plus sign. All the 3 numbers we are putting together, then we are adding. So let us count what the answer we will get here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What answer we got children here? 10. Isn't it? Next. See the second one. Okay? It's once only, 1 digit number. 3 numbers are there. 4 plus 1 plus 2. Okay? 4, or you can do here like this also. See. 4 plus 1, then plus 2. Okay? First I will draw the 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then next what number I should draw here? How many lines? 1. 1 number is there. So only 1 line, isn't it? 1. Then next, which number I have to, how many numbers I have to draw here? 2, because the number is 2. So only 2 lines. 1, 2. Let us count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What the answer children we got is 7. Isn't it? Now see to the third one here. Here, addition of 3 2-digit numbers. Here only 1 digit number, only once means only 1 digit number. But here addition of 3 numbers into 2-digit numbers. So here ones and tens, but the numbers are 3 here. See, 0 plus 1 plus 1, 6 plus 2 plus 1. Okay? So from where I should start now? From ones or tens children? Yes, from ones. Okay? So what is the first number here? 0. 0 means any number we should draw here. Any number I should draw any line here. 0 means no. For 0 we should not draw any line here. So next what we will do here? 1. So 1 line. The next number is 1. So I will draw 1. Okay? 0 means nothing. 1 line, 1 line, 1 line. So 1 line, 1, 2 it will be. Okay? Then next, in tens, what is the first number? 6. So I will draw 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then the second number is 2. So I will draw 2 lines. 1, 2. And the third one is 1. So I will draw 1 line. So now from top to bottom we'll add. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What answer we got children here? 92. Okay, here we have learned 2-digit numbers and here we are learning 3-digit numbers. One addition on 3 1 digit also, addition of 3 to 2 digits, both here children. So here see, number is not written. I'll give you the see here 24, then 16, sorry, 0, next 34. Okay, so from ones we have to move. So what is the first number here? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lines are not drawn here. The next one is 0. Are we drawing any line here children? No. Okay, then we will go to the third number. What is the third number? 4. So we will draw 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now from top to bottom we will count the lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Then next to the tens one. 2. Okay, 1, 2. Next number is 1. And the third number is 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Answer is 6. And the total answer will be 68. Got it children? Only 2 digit means ones and tens will be there. 3 digits, 1. See, addition of 3 1 digit means this is the method. Only ones will be there. Whereas addition of 3 2 digits means this is 2 digits children. Got it? So next we will move to the addition app. See children, Rita has 11 chocolates. How many Rita has children? How many chocolates she has? Yes, she has 11 chocolates. Her mother gave another 5 chocolates. Her mother gave her another 5 chocolates. Then how many chocolates does Rita have now? See, she was having already 11 chocolates. Then her mother gave her 5 more chocolates to her. Another 5 more chocolates. Then how many chocolates does she have children now? Let us solve here. See, you have to draw the box. See, here from right side and this is the left side. Here we will write ones, here we will write tens. Got it children? So what is the first number children? 11. Rita she has 11 chocolates. So we'll write here 11. Okay? Then 11 chocolates is having, isn't it? So we wrote 11 because it's a 2-digit number. 11 is a 2-digit number, isn't it? That's why we drawn the ones and tens column here. Okay? Then next, her mother gave her 5 chocolates. Here again, 5 is a 1-digit number. 5 is a 1-digit number. So in ones place we will write here 5. Got it children? In ones place we will write 5. Then how many chocolates does Rita have now? So we have to put 11 chocolates plus 5 chocolates together. Then only we will get the answer here. Isn't it children? So from where we should go? Yes, from ones. See, 1. 1 number means 1 line. Then 5 is there. Next, 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 here. Once over. Then we'll move to the tens. Okay? See here. What is the first number? 1. I'll draw 1 here. Next number, any number is there children? No. So what we'll consider? 0. Okay? We'll consider it as 0. If no number, then we'll consider it as 0. So 1. So the answer will be here 1. So how many chocolates total Rita has children now? 16 chocolates. See here. Therefore, Rita has 16 chocolates. Got it children? This is the method how you have to do the addition act. Got it, children? Hope you all might have understood the addition, how to do addition of 2-digit numbers, how to do addition of 3 1-digit number, addition of 3 1-digit number, then addition of 3 2-digit numbers. See, this is addition 1-digit number and this is addition 2-digit numbers. Addition of 3 numbers are there 1 digit, addition of 3 2-digit numbers, and this is the addition add, children. You have to read the word problem. This is word problem, children. You have to read the word problem, okay? Then you have to solve like this. You have to make the column one sentence, then you have to add it, put the numbers together, then you will get the answer. Hope you all might have understood once again addition. What is addition? How you have to add it? Okay, children. If you want, you can go through it once again. I'll come subtraction part in the next session. Till then, thank you. Have a good day.